Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Megan and I am so super glad you're here because I referenced in a video a couple of weeks ago that I would soon be bringing you a review of this. This is the Lily Jade Wristlet Crossbody and give you some of my feelings, a quick overview of how much it can hold, the organization it has, and why you probably want to have one. So I'm gonna just start by giving you a quick overview. It does not have any exterior pockets. It does have a cute tassel and a little spot for this wristlet strap, or as the name implies, you can also attach this crossbody strap, which has gold chain detail and is adjustable, which is really cool because you could make it like an over-the-shoulder little bag or go with the full crossbody, or remove it all together and simply use the bag as an on-the-go clutch, which is kind of what I've been doing. So first of all, just for what I've been carrying inside, I have basically like a mini diaper bag up in here. So I do have one diaper. I still have one kid in diapers. That's gonna be a hot minute until that's over. Then I have just like a half package of the Honest Co wipes. Okay, I did not clean this out before. I wanted to show you because I just think, I don't know, it's good to have some realistic standards here on my channel. There is like this main area where the diaper and the wipes are being held. And then I've also been using this as my wallet. So I have all of my main cards here, and then off to the side, hopefully you can see, there is a little zipper pocket. And in here I'm keeping, you know, like library card and my license because I wanted it zipped in there nice and tight. So if my kids got into the bag, I didn't, you know, have to start over with my government identification. And so I have maybe like 6 or 7 cards in there. It could hold more. And then in the back here, my messy area of receipts. And I also have tucked in here my iPhone, an extra hair tie. I have my checkbook because being a mom, even in 2020, means sometimes you still need a checkbook. I have a little lip product. This is the Rosebud Salve that I show in several other videos. It's my go-to. And another receipt that kind of got stuck in there without me seeing. So you can see that that pocket really does hold a lot. This will probably be my ongoing replacement for my everyday wallet. I also love I can attach my keys here and then just take this to school pickup, anything like that. Been a really big fan, and I do have an updated Lily Jade affiliate link, which you'll find in my description box below. I also have a giveaway upcoming on my Instagram, so go ahead and head over there and give me a follow at Megan Kingsford. So excited to be able to offer one of these to you guys very soon, and subscribe. And then I think that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video super soon. Bye.